नमस्ते भाई और बहनों, वेलकम बैक फ्रेंड्स। इतना तो पक्का है कि जो आप लोगों को लग रहा है कि अमेरिका बहुत प्रेशर डाल रहा है इंडिया के ऊपर, हाँ टैरिफ्स में तो हुआ ही है, लेकिन अभी भी कुछ शब्द यूज़ किए गए और दैट प्रेसिडेंट ट्रम्प इज़ वेरी मच एंटी इंडिया। आई डोंट थिंक सो। फ्रॉम व्हाट आई हैव गैदर्ड in his talk, his understanding of the situation, America always will want a friendly relationship with India because that's a very easy way to counteract China. ये किसी भी वे में अमेरिका चाहेगा नहीं कि भारत से रिलेशनशिप खराब हो जाए, ठीक है? बिकॉज इफ दैट हैपन्स देन चाइना को तो कोई चेकमेट करने वाला कोई बचा ही नहीं। इसके लिए वो ठीक है टैरिफ वगैरह की बातें करते हैं, लेकिन एंड में बात मान भी जाते हैं। And I'm quite sure, I think Marco Rubio is to Secretary of State, will be visiting India shortly. And also, should be interesting, his meetings and his presence. And I think all should be well. As far as I believe, the relationships between United States and India are only going to get better and strengthen in times to come. I don't see anything which is going to be disturbing. In fact, you may see in a few months from now, the relationships will only improve. Okay, this is my judgment and my analysis of the situation. So don't be so despondent. And it is even in India's interest to have good relationships, because there's a lot of know-how pertaining to artificial intelligence that is emanating out of the United States, and India can play a good joint partners role in developing AI and becoming, the two countries can do a lot of things together. India has a technological backbone and can be of great use to the United States, also to checkmate China. So I see, don't be despondent. And some people keep writing, he may have used a few words, but I think the president means well. This is not a political YouTube, so do not please write comments, because I have only that much energy. I'm giving you my message. I think America and India will have good relationships in times to come. What he was talking was taken a little out of context. He was talking of something else about birthright citizenship. And there is some countries which are doing fraud. It's not that what President Trump said was wrong. He may not have used the right word, hellhole or whatever, but what he was trying to say is that it is true, and many would be aware that many people just come to the United States to give birth to a child, and they become citizens, and that's not there is a lacuna, and they were exploiting it. So, but other than that, trade point of view, economy point of view, cooperation point of view, I think the relationships between India and United States are expected to get better. And coming back to the markets, as I've explained, many people still writing to me, don't panic watching so many of these YouTubes and people talking about world war in a week, and war between India, Pakistan, whatever may be the case. As far as stock markets are concerned, see, both Iran and America do not want a war any further. There may be some little skirmishes here and there which may still continue. It may take a few weeks more. I have my deadline. I was just to one of my subscribers and I was giving him what my deadline was. But around this time, I believe that the relationships will improve and negotiations will restart. I know what I'm telling you is something which is very risky for me. It's my risk to my reputation also. Should something go wrong, then the trollers will come after my head. But I have to stick my neck out, and to my subscribers, I have to give them some knowledge of what my view is of the markets, which I'm giving to you. Okay. And once this negotiations start, regarding regime change and all, there is already some other people who are working in the background. And President Trump is not talking something loosely. It is definitely true that there are some other people who have come into the picture. So there are, but who is finally leading other than Mr. Khomeini is something which is not 100% clear. So what he's talking is, yes, in a few weeks, I think that will all become very clear who are the true decision makers now. And that will definitely come into the picture, and you will understand, and things will become quite, will start getting steady. Right now, things are very much, and people are creating all those thumbnails and, scaring you on YouTube and some astrologers talking of many major things and world war. Before that, I think, I repeat, neither America nor Iran is interested to continue this war any further. These are all negotiation strategies, and they will finally come to some decisions soon, which should be favorable for the world. But it would take some time, and the timeline I will give in my group, because it's a lot of research and expense on our part. So you can join a premium value, which gives you 1 week predictions in advance, and we have some discount offer also during the summer. You can WhatsApp us on 9820861044. तो ज़रूर आप हमारा प्रीमियम वैल्यू ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, जो 1 वीक प्रेडिक्शंस एडवांस में देता है. उसमें आपको टाइमलाइन वगैरह भी पता पड़ जाएगा कब तक ये मार्केट टर्न हो सकता है. लेकिन मेरे हिसाब से कुछ अच्छे दिन आने की संभावना है, और अच्छे दिन मैं अंतर्राष्ट्रीय लेवल की बात कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, ये स्ट्रेट ऑफ हॉर्मुज हो जाएगा तो अच्छा होगा. दूसरा जो अच्छा हो सकता है वो मई 4 को क्या न्यूज़ आती है स्टेट इलेक्शंस के रिजल्ट्स में. वहाँ कहीं ना कहीं तो मुझे लग रहा है सेंटर को एक फिलिप अच्छा मिलना चाहिए. अब फिर मैं कहूँगा तो लोग मेरे पीछे पड़ जाएंगे कि ये हुआ नहीं हुआ. वेस्ट बंगाल में चांस अच्छा है इस वक्त. मेहनत भी काफ़ी किया है ग्रास रूट्स लेवल पे, और वातावरण ऐसा लग रहा है हो सकता है नैरो हो. अगर वहाँ भी मिल जाता है, और कुछ अगर तमिलनाडु में थोड़ा सा अनसेटलिंग हो जाता है, जो बिकॉज ऑफ विजय's कमिंग इन द तमिलनाडु इलेक्शन, सम Dravidian seats may go towards or may be shared between विजय एंड AIADMK. अगर ये सब करके और इवन एक जूनियर पार्टनर की तरह आ जाता है तो ये सब भारतीय मार्केट के लिए वैसे तो मेरे ख्याल से तो अच्छा रहना चाहिए. लेकिन अगर ये सब ना भी होता है किस वजह से, तो मेरा एनालिसिस ये कह रहा है कि इवन ये ईरान और अमेरिका के बीच में एक अच्छा समझिए समझौता हो गया, तो ये जो समझौता होगा वो हित में होगा भारत के, और एक बार पूरा ट्रेड खुल जाएगा स्ट्रेट ऑफ हॉर्मुज, बहुत बेनिफिशियल होगा. मैं इलेक्शंस की फोरकास्ट अपना एक बाद में और डिटेल में करूँगा, लेकिन ये मेरा मेन वीडियो का जो आज का महत्व था बताना कि इतना घबराइए नहीं, ये हो जाएगा. थोड़ा नेगोशिएशंस चल रही हैं, और थोड़ा एक दूसरे को ये नेगोशिएशन में हाँ जी मैं आपसे मिलूँगा नहीं, मैं बात नहीं करूँगा, ये होता है. ठीक है, उसको ज़्यादा सीरियस मत लीजिए. India or America's relationships will also strengthen in times to come. I'm very confident. In fact, in some months, you will see yourself and you will bless me and tell me, yes, they have improved. Okay? तो अब WhatsApp करके प्रीमियम वैल्यू ज्वाइन करें. थोड़ा मैं इलेक्शन डे का जो 4 मई का है वो हम कंप्लीट करके एनालिसिस आपको प्रेजेंट करेंगे. तो तब तक के लिए नमस्ते, जय हिंद. WhatsApp नंबर 9820861044.